Good day, everyone. Last class, so we started Tableau, uh, yeah, which is used to create visualization and data analytics. So we were able to create different charts and then creating different KPI. Okay, so we started by uploading our data set, so which is Superstore data set. So the Superstore data set contain it contains three data sets, so customers, orders, and products. So we tried to join all the three tables, all the three data sets. So we join them by using a relationship, which is a one-to-one relationship. So to join a customer with others and join others with products, because each table has a common column name. Like now, customers contain customer ID, while others contain others ID. As you can see, this is customers. When you click on others, so others contain a customer ID, so which is common to a customer name. Okay, so which is common to customer name. So that is a reason we are able to join both customers and others. Okay, then if you look at product table, so product table contain product ID. Okay, so we were able to join others table with product table because product table contain product ID. This one, so both have a common column name. That is what make us to be able to join others and products together. So using ID, primary key and foreign key. So like now, customer ID here is a primary key in customers table, but in others table is going to be foreign key. Okay, so it's going to be foreign key. Okay, then others ID is a primary key here. Okay, but in products ID, okay, no, we are using product ID. So product ID is a primary key in product table. So, but in others table, it's going to be what? A foreign key. So this one, okay. So that is that about data modeling. So we touched data modeling in Tableau last class, is joining two or more tables. So with common names, with common column name. So when you have your data set uploaded, so the next thing is to start creating sheets. So, and I explained that you can, if I want to create individual charts or individual KPI, so you will use a sheet for that visualization, unlike Microsoft Power BI, that you will have your dashboard. Okay, then you can now create all the visuals. So you create it at the same time, you create it at once. But Tableau, so you have to create individual sheets for your visual. So you are going to use dedicated sheets for individual visual. Okay, so that is one major difference between Tableau and Power BI. So any feature you want to create, so you have to create a sheet for it. So, in Power BI, when you have your dashboard, we just create a card, insert a card on your dashboard, and we use it to create your KPI. But for Tableau, so if you want to create a one KPI, so you have to create a sheet for it. So that is the major difference between the two applications. So, and our last class, we created the total sales, so which is this. Then average sales, total profit, total products. Okay. Then sales. Oh, so this is the dashboard. So we have so all these are the KPI. Okay, they are the KPI. So then we created two charts. So we have bar chart, then pie chart. Okay. So when you have your sheets, the next one is to create a dashboard. So create a dashboard. So which is, let me check this. I need to check. I should be okay. I joined. Okay, now. So let's continue. So now, so after you have your sheets created, so the next thing is to create a dashboard. So you now use dashboard to combine all the sheets together on one dashboard. Okay, so since we need 4 KPIs, so we created 4 sheets for them, which total sales, total average sales, total sales, total products, which is total quantity. So then total profit. So all these are the what are KPIs. So, but you start with title, you know. So if I want to divide your dashboard, we will use horizontal container and vertical container. So we use container to divide the dashboard. So like now, what we have used so far, so we use a horizontal container. So this is one container that we use to hold the logo, the name of the organization, and the project we are working on. Are you getting it? So this is one container, horizontal container. Then we inserted another horizontal container for our KPI. So when you insert the horizontal container, then you can now add all the KPIs. We add it to that horizontal container. Then you distribute. So when we watch the video, you see, you understand how we did this one. Then the next one is showing your charts on your dashboard. So what we have here is just two charts, right? So total profits by region and what total sales by subcategories, right? So we can also create more charts in Tableau. So in using sheet, so this is the charts for the total sales by subcategory. So this is total profits. We have shown this and this. So they are these two charts. Now we can also create more sheets. So this is sheet 7. So for example, if you want to know the total sales by state, okay, so we want to know individual sales by individual state. Okay, this is the total sales we have in this state, the total sales we have in this state, and so on like that. Okay, so so you need to rename this one. So let's have total sales by state. Okay, press enter. So it will show, immediately you press enter, it will show the title here. So now what you are going to do is, so for chart, we normally use column and rows. Okay, but if you want to create a KPI, so you will make use of calculated feeds. This one to create your KPI. Maybe you want to know the total sales, you use some. So if you want to know the average, average sales, so we use average function. So if it is count, so you use count to know the total number of rows you have in that column. So now, if you want to get the total sales by state, okay, so you will drag the sales to the row, okay, then this is state, drag it to the column, okay. So although we have used bar chart before to show the total sales by subcategory, okay, so you can make use of another chart, okay. So either you change it here using map, okay, or you come to show me. But if you want to use map, you have to be connected, because it's going to fetch the allocation online and getting it. So you can use this, or you change it to this one. So it's going to change to longitude and latitude. Can you see? So it has been changed. The column has been changed to longitude and latitude. So immediately I click on map. So when you have this, there's no values. You don't know which states have a particular state. So if I want to show it on the map like this, so you have to drag the states, okay? Or you can start with states. Okay, let's show the states first. So you drag states to the label. So to show individual states, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona. So all these, they are in US, okay? States in US, Washington, okay? Georgia, South Carolina, so and so on like that. So now, if you want to know the values, total sales for individual states, so you drag sales to the label. Okay, so drag state sales to the what label. So can you see this one has 52,084. So this one 187,350. This one 1 million. Can you see that? So you can change the color if you don't want to use this. So you just click on show me again. Okay, it will disable the chart. When you click on show me, to show it again, click on it to disappear. So this is the color. So that is light blue and deep blue. So that means light blue, they are the smallest one. So while the uh, deep blue, they are what? Largest one. So you can use another color if you don't want to use this. So you just need to click on this button, okay? Then edit colors. So when you click on edit colors, then click this. So it will show different colors that you can use to represent your values on the map. Okay, so if we pick, let's say we want to pick red to blue, okay, let's check. I think there's red to green diverge. So that means the smallest one we carry what are red, while the largest one we carry what green, right? So click on apply. So click on apply. Okay, can you see that? So then uh, click OK. So if you look at the deep green, show that the largest one is the deepest one. Okay, so followed by this 1 million Texas. Okay, so this one is light green. Then so this one 18,000. So 6,000. So that is deep red. Okay, so because based on the color we choose, so from deep red to what deep green. Can you see that? So you can also change, yeah, if you don't want to use this color, so you can go back to the edit colors. Okay, so then use another one. Okay, I think we use this. Okay, let's check orange good. Let's say green. Can you see this? So you can use this, right? So this is what total sales by state. Okay, so when you check the sales analysis dashboard, so you see, so it has been added. Okay, it has been added. So we can also add, let's add more sheets. Let's add more sheets. Okay, so maybe we want to check total sales by city. Okay, so drag it to the row. Okay, then city to the column. Okay, so to use what bar chart. So, but we don't want to use this. We want to use map to represent the visual. So you can change this one to what total sales by city. Okay, total sales by city. So just click on show me. Okay, then click on the map. So can you see that? So now if you want to show the sales data to you want to show the sales on the map, so you can drag it, you can drag the sales to the color. Okay, already show the color. Okay, let's drag the sales to the label to show the values. Can you see? To show the individual sales for the city. Okay, you know, city is going to more than that, more than the state. Okay, so uh, in values, the values we get in city is going to lesser than the state, but the number of cities that we are going to have on the map, so it's going to more than that of state. Okay, so now when you have this, you can also change. Okay, you can also change uh, the color, edit color. So okay, so when you have this, okay, let's put this. Okay, this is size. Don't need this. So now this is total sales by city, right? Okay. Um, when you have this, so now I need one more. So let's create let's check our profit by maybe by region. Okay, so sales, okay, region. So that's it. Okay, profit by region. Okay, sales by region. Do we have it? Okay, we have profit by region. So, okay, that is sales by region. So you can change it and you can use another. Okay, if you use this, so entire field. Okay, entire, okay, width. So you can show the values for sales are based on region like this square. So you can use another shape. So I think square is okay. So this is sales by region. Sales by region. Okay. So when you have this, then you need to combine them here. So, but before that, I will need a vertical container at the left hand side for the slicer to filter the values on the dashboard. The way we normally do in Power BI, we have a space, maybe a vertical space here, the section, to create a slicer. So you can just drag the vertical here, okay. So when you have this, you can change. So you can change the background color, okay. So just go to the layout, okay. So go to the layout, then background. Can you see that? Okay, background color. So you can move, as you are adding visuals to your dashboard. So it's going to add filter automatically to the dashboard. As we have this, so you can just drag this one. So you place mouse on the uh, at this button, okay, the holder, the box holder. So drag it to the to this section. Okay, we still have one more. We have slicer for the profit. So move it to this place, okay, so that you can use it. Okay, I think we don't have any other any other filter here again. So drag this like this. Okay. So when you have this, so we want to add more. Okay, can you see this? Although we haven't turned this to slicer, to filter. So now I want to add more visuals to the dashboard. After the KPIs, after the 4 KPIs we have here, so we have just 2 visuals. So I need more visuals on my dashboard. So if you want to do that, you will need a vertical container on this. I mean, no, you need the horizontal container on the dashboard. So let's drag one container. But if you are dragging it, so you make sure that uh, it show horizontally. Can you see? So I will drop it now. Can you see that? So when you are dragging it, so it may show at the left hand side. You will make sure that the shadow of that container, it show horizontally so that it will sit where you want it to be. Are you getting it? So now we have this and this. Okay, you can add more. You can add more charts to it. Like now, let's add this. Okay, then you can drag this one. So drag this one. Okay. So when you have this, okay, okay. So this one, okay, then we have only one chart here. Okay. So let's add, we have this. So drag this one here. Okay. Then we have this. So you can now drag this. Okay. So when you have this, so you can now use an entire view. Okay. So when you have this, so you can turn it with the one you have here. So you can just say entire view. Can you see that? So that instead of a small one like this, so we just change the view to entire view. Okay, to show this. Then this one also, okay, it is already an entire view. So because if it is in standard, so see the way it looks. But you have to change to what entire view. So then check this. Okay, what of this? Okay, this is also entire view. So now another thing that you can do is you can change the background of individual and the color of individual title of your visual. So like this one, you can right click this, okay, and click on edit title. Edit title. So highlight it, change the color maybe to red. So bold it, okay. So you can centralize it, right? Apply. Okay, then you can change the background of the title. So you have to go to the layout, okay, then background. Can you see that? Let's use this, okay. Yeah, so that the title, the background will be the same with the background of the top title. So then the same thing applicable to this, okay. So right click the title, edit title. Okay. Then change the color to red, bold, center. So okay. Okay. Then go to the layout, background. So okay, not right. So the same this one, edit title. Okay. Red, bold, apply. Okay, center. Okay, then background. Okay, so the same thing here, edit title. Okay, so both center, apply. Okay, then background. So the last one, edit title. So highlight it, center, then red, both, apply. Okay, then change the background. So can you see that? So that is that. Okay. So for the slicer, okay, so you uh, can use multiple rows. Okay. Um, layouts. Okay. It is in multiple rows. Okay, let's check the vertical. Okay. Another way that you can use a slicer is to create a bar chart. Let's see. Um, let's create another sheet. Okay. So for example, we want to use want to okay. So instead of this top column, okay. So if we have this, we can change this one to okay. Okay, it is in dimension. Okay, now we can change it. If we have okay, this is region. Okay. So I later worksheet. Okay, we cannot use that. So let's use histogram. So this is region. Okay, it says okay, says. So you can rotate this one. So rotate, okay. Then show filter. So under filter. So I want to hide title. No. Okay, what we want to do, want to show the filter. Okay, where is this says analysis. So we can make this as we have region here. So we can make this one to be we can enable filter here, use filter. Okay. So when you click on filter here, then as we are clicking on this, so it's going to change the individual. Can you see? So can you see? Okay. So you can use a region here. Okay. You can also drag it. We can have here region 6 by region. Okay, this. Okay. So we can make use of this one to filter. Okay, to filter the values. Okay. So as you can see, the KPI also change as you are clicking individual region. Okay, so if I want to use another variables to filter, this is region, so you can also use another, let's use, okay, we have used region, so let's use another one. Like now, if we want to filter based on subcategory, subcategories. So this should be here. Okay. So now let's sort it like this. I have this. Okay. So subcategory. Okay, subcategory. Subcategory. Okay. So we can add it to our dashboard. Total sales. Sales analysis. Okay. So this is now I want to hide title. Okay. So you can hide title here. Okay. I want to hide. I want to hide. So use as a filter. When you click this, it is on. When you click on storage, you can see less like this. So this is for region. So for region, um, apply. Okay, select from the list, custom value, use all. Okay, when you click on okay, custom values, select from the list. So you select from the list. This is region. So when you click on okay east, okay, it is based on region. So when you click on this, so it will keep changing. So we want to know the total values based on storage. Okay, so based on tables, okay, based on machines, so it will keep changing like that. Okay, so that is how to make use of filter in tab. So uh, we we end the class here. So I will give you an assignment, or let's say I will give you a project to do. So the project will cover a Microsoft Excel, SQL, Microsoft Power BI, then Tab. Okay, so we call it a capstone project. Okay, so it will involve a data cleaning in Microsoft Excel. Then we also create a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Okay, then for SQL, so um, we are going to use a SQL for data cleaning. So I will ask you to extract uh, some data in SQL. Okay, so then for Microsoft Power BI, I will give you data sets for visualization. Visualize it. There will be projects objectives. Okay, the objective of the project, then the same thing applicable to tab. So you can replicate what what you do in Microsoft Power BI in Tableau, because what we use Tableau to do is for visualization. So either you use Microsoft Power BI or you use Tableau. So it depends on your choice and the one you can use perfectly. Okay. So, but the project we cover both Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. Okay. So thank you so much. Do you have any question before we uh, end the class for today?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks so
Thank you.
much for the efforts you have put through, sir.
You're
But the
welcome.
quick question that I have here is that from this dashboard, you
Okay.
created the sales by region. There is like a, how would I call this one? Like drop down in between the dashboard that controls all this visualization. Then by the one those two that you created by the left, those
Yeah.
two they can equally do the function of this one. So the
Yes.
function
So
of the one that says. So I don't really understand the
yes.
correlation between the two.
Actually,
Why the two?
what I want to do before is to have the filter at the left hand side as we have it here before. So
Okay, sir.
but I just want you to know that you can also use the chart to
Okay,
filter
sir.
your values. So uh the common practice is to have the filter at the left hand side
Okay,
as
sir.
we have it here. So instead of using this says by region to filter. So the common practice to have it at the left hand side.
Okay, sir.
You get that?
Yes, I do, sir.
So I just use this to explain that you can also filter your values using the chart on the dashboard. But if
Okay,
you
sir.
want to filter the values on the dashboard, so it is advisable to create the filter at the left hand side as
Last.
we have this one. So uh, the best one is to use a filter at the left hand side, not the one we have on the dashboard.
On the dashboard. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And
I
I
hope
got it well, sir.
I answered the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, I do, sir. Thanks so much, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much. So I will send the project you are going to do. So I will
Okay,
send
sir.
it. Yes, I will send it to you on the group. So then I will put the deadline for the project. Okay, so it's
Okay, sir.
going to be a week. Okay, a week
Okay. Okay, sir.
project. So
Project.
yes, so that's that. So thank you so
Okay,
much.
sir. Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, you're welcome. So thank
Yes.
you for the understanding and cooperation.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Bye,
thank
sir.
you. All right. So I will send this dashboard to you on the group. So I will export it and send it.
Okay, sir. And the lecture to that because I didn't start from the beginning.
Yes, I will say
I was having network issue.
I will share the
That
recorded
time.
video.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Bye. So.